Grass wall, I'm sure you guys have heard of it. Vlogmas Day. I'm gonna influence you by this. Don't turn on the big lights. No big light. Rolex is my magic. Update. The weather still sucks.
Come on in, come on up, come on over for the merriest time of year. Come on up, come on in, get together for a good...
Hello, welcome to another day of decorating. And behind me here is my infamous grass wall. I'm sure you guys have heard of it. Very quite popular. Today I would like to decorate it with some lights. We took down our neon sign. Again, if you're familiar with it, we have a cute little neon sign there. I just want to make it super Christmassy, but I don't want to go over the top because unfortunately with bringing out the tree over there, we don't have as much space because we have our cat tree, which is here. It's very large and in charge, and I can't take it away from my girls. So it's gonna live here next to our bar cart. But with this limited amount of space, I want to decorate it, but not make it feel clustered because it already feels clustered. We actually have a lot of decorating going on today. We wanna do some lights. We have some vintage lights that we always put out on our patio. We wanna do like our Christmas village, some like bristle brush Christmas trees. Like we have so many things that we wanna do and accomplish today. So we went ahead and made our Christmas trees a separate video, and then we're gonna make the rest of the decorating today's video. And I hope you guys are having fun. Let's go decorate. Also, happy Vlogmas Day 2. 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 Yeah.
Vlogmas Day
2. Okay, let's go. I don't know how many times I've mentioned the step stool in my videos, but like if you're gonna buy anything, if I'm gonna influence you, buy this. Buy this, please. And then make your husband do it all. These are the lights we're going to be using. They're Wonder Shop. I think they were like $15 last year, but inflation, who knows how much they cost today. If you're gonna do anything for yourself this holiday season, keep all of the twist ties that come with like your lights and stuff, put them back in the box they came in, including these. We love a good vibe. You know those reels and TikToks where people are like, don't turn on the big lights. No big lights, you know? No big lights.
There you
If
go.
you're one of those people, you might wanna invest in these anyways.
There's our net.
Woo! Wow, this is so much bigger than we thought. We
Yeah.
thought we were gonna need 4. We might need 2. I'm gonna hold the ladder because it makes me nervous.
These hooks are not out.
You want me to get zip ties and we zip tie them to the grass wall?
Yes, let's do that.
In case you guys are curious on how we're gonna hang these, we're gonna try zip ties. Oh my gosh, should we have done it the other way? Like horizontal? Like instead of it being long ways like this and going next to each other, should we have gone horizontal?
Oh yeah, we should have.
This kind of thing is exactly why Tetris is such a good game when you're young. Tetris and like puzzles, like that's basically what this is. What's another game that you feel like you had to use this kind of skill? Ooh, what's that one car game where you had to like organize the cars to try and get them all out of the parking lot? We're at a place where we're kind of like, well, we don't know how to hang the second one so that it all looks cohesive. We're gonna pause the project here because we want to give you a full reveal because we need to turn the lights on to figure out what we're doing. See you back in a second. Friends, we have finished the wall. It is all done. We are not gonna put our neon sign back up till after the holidays, so if you wanna see what those look like, you're just gonna have to stick around till after Vlogmas. But I'm gonna turn y'all around. Chance is gonna go ahead and light it up for y'all in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! It's so cute. It literally looks like a Parisian like bistro background. I think it's so precious. I think this grass wall has been our absolute favorite thing that we have ever put in our home. I'm getting a call from Australia. Hello? Hello? That was weird. Do y'all think that was a coincidence? We like just got back from Australia. Anyways, look how precious. Oh my God, my bang escaped. Anyways, I think it's so cute. This is like our favorite thing that we've ever put in our home. It's just, if you ever get a chance to put a grass wall in your house, I highly recommend. It can be vibey, it can be classy, it can be earthy. It's just so cool. And I love it for the holidays. Like, it's so easy to hang stuff on here too. Highly recommend. All right, where next, baby? Okay, so Chance and I have this letterboard. We really like it. We got one for his mother. But we've been really bad at updating ours. It literally still says happy birthday My birthday's in March, so we gotta update this. We didn't even do anything for spooky season or fall. We gotta put something up for Christmas. Give me suggestions in the comments. We are gonna put something now, but if you guys have a better suggestion in the comments for what should go on our letterboard, we'll probably switch it out for you. Did I show them what the wall looks like? Also, y'all, look at how good the lights look with the gold bar cart. We might be getting a new one very soon, but the lights look super good with all the gold touches. Good morning, guys. It is the next day. It is a very gloomy day. We have a 100% chance of rain. It's gonna rain all day long, so get prepared for the house to be this dark. Literally, look how dark it is. Middle of the day. It's like actually not even the middle of the day. It's the morning, and it's this dark outside. So we are leaving in a couple days to go to Ohio. I am pre-filming some of this Vlogmas stuff just to keep myself up to date. So I have to go ahead and pull out like our winter clothes box because obviously we live in Florida. We don't often need sweaters and coats and scarves and stuff. So I'm going through that, and then we're gonna kind of wash everything just because, you know, when you store stuff it gets a little musty. So we're gonna do that, and then we're hoping to maybe get some decorating done later today because this is all we got done yesterday. Plus I messed up the Vlogmas intro, so I have to refilm that, but you guys will see obviously the better part of it. So I haven't gotten very far. I've only pulled out these 3 things, and these 2 are for like layering underneath. I have this sweater that I really like, and it has these 2 little like stains. I don't know what they are, so I'm gonna try and like spray them with some Folex. Folex is my magic like potion. I don't even know. It's like a magic potion. It gets everything out. So we're gonna spray that. So we have some scarves. Let me pull these out in case Chance wants to use them. This is a long sleeve for Chance. That'll be good for layering. Ooh, this isn't necessarily a winter coat, but it is like a windbreaker. Good for rain. Pull that out. Ooh, another good long sleeve for Chance. I want him to have lots of like layering. Ooh, this is a good sweater. This is from Target. It's a good sweater. I got this from like 3 or 4 years ago. He's gonna go full grandpa this weekend, but he loves that vibes. I've changed, obviously. I'm getting to the point in packing where I'm very overwhelmed. If you hear any sneezing in the background, it's probably Champ. He gets sneezy in the mornings. Bless
Sorry.
you. So I'm gonna start writing stuff down because, especially when I'm packing for the winter, because bless you, and things are so like thick, they take up a lot of space in your suitcase, so you really can't overpack the same way you would anything else. So I'm gonna start writing down what I need for each day because we kind of have stuff we're doing every day. I mean, except for Monday. But other than that, I just need to make sure I have clothes for every day, pajamas, and like airport stuff. And then the thing is, once we get back from Ohio, we're going straight to Orlando because we're going to Disney the next day. So we also need to pack for that. Okay, I'm gonna start this screen recording for you guys. So I have Friday already written out here. I'm gonna go ahead and put Saturday here, doesn't have to be perfect. Sunday can be down here, and we'll do a little Monday here. No, that's not evenly spaced, who cares? So Friday we're just flying there. So really all we need for Friday, go ahead and just pick a different color to the screen. Friday we are flying there, so I need airport clothes. PJs. Saturday we have the birthday party. Sunday we have church, and then I'll probably need like chill clothes for in the evening. Monday we have a later flight, so I'll just need chill clothes again, and then airport clothes. Oh, I forgot PJs, but I can probably double up on PJs, you know. And airport clothes. We're gonna be driving to Orlando, so then we'll need PJ clothes again. That can be in the Orlando bag. Maybe I should make Orlando a different color. I need backspace. So all of that. We'll make Orlando pink. Update. The weather still sucks. It's disgusting out there. I don't know if you can really tell, but I am making progress on packing. Look, I have little outfit piles. I feel like when my packing starts to look like this, we're in good shape, because once they're in these little packs, like the little stacks, when they're in these little stacks, then I can just go ahead and put them in the suitcase. And like I said, it's only a 4-day trip, and we're taking 1 carry-on and like 2 personal bags, so we're gonna have plenty of space for everything. But I'm feeling good. And Chance is making breakfast, which is like such good motivation to just get going. Here's the final update on packing. We have some loungewear. We're gonna put some more t-shirts. We have these. We're missing some jeans and khakis here. Or no, jeans. He's missing khakis here. This is all set. This is missing jeans. We have all of that laid out. And on the dresser here, we have our airport clothes. Sorry for the noise. Like I said, Chance is making breakfast. But I think we're Doing pretty good. All right, Chance has some cheese, sandwiches. He's watching shorts. He's got homemade millionaire's bacon, some hash browns. Ooh. And some smoke that's cutting my throat. I want you to know that half the world is addicted to TikTok, so I'm sure they're gonna be like, oh, he watches shorts? What an old man. They're gonna be like, what an old man, he watches shorts? Yeah, we don't have TikTok here. I wanna go ahead and hang Christmas lights on all of our curtain rods that we have in the house. So before Chance leaves for work, I'm gonna have him do all of that work for us. Also, in case you get curious, these are the lights we're using. We're using some cool white icy icicle lights. These are from Big Lots, but I actually think we might have gotten them from a thrift store, so even cheaper than that. So cool beans. Here you go, babe.
It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause
No, I think we should just donate them. They're not worth our time. Okay, don't mind the noise in the background. We are taking down those lights. They turned on, and maybe they'll be brighter at night, but I was like, they don't look good. So we're gonna use these lights here. They're also icicle lights, but instead of being literal like ice thingies, they're just like the little hangy icicles.
right around the mistletoe, I'm gonna let my feelings show. Always got you on my mind, but I know this time you're on top of my list. Only wish.
Did a good job packing those in. Popping on here for a voiceover because my mic just collected the worst audio that I think I've ever had. I didn't want you guys suffering through any bad audio, so we just have 2 more strings of lights to hang. We're hanging these in the bedroom the same way we did on these curtain rods, and then we're going to do the exact same thing but outside on our balcony, and we're going to be using some of my favorite kind of Christmas lights. Backstory for you all, I used to work at a theater in my area, and they were changing locations for their new prop shop, and when they were decluttering their stock, they had tons of Christmas decorations. And me and my boss were both Christmas fanatics, so we really bonded over this. He actually let me take home a few strands of these vintage Christmas lights and bulbs that go in them, and at first when I got them, I was convinced that they were broken or malfunctioning on me. The lights would all turn on, and then randomly they would turn off and then back on again, and then they would eventually speed up a bit to just a regular Christmas twinkle. Like, they worked perfectly. I just had never experienced these before, so all of the random speeds of lights flashing at first really threw me off, and then they eventually came to one speed. The other awesome thing about these lights are they are safe to use outside. They have a hook on the side for your house too, but we're just going to wrap these around the railing on our balcony. You can even see that it's raining while I'm installing these lights, and it's entirely safe for these bulbs. I believe these are called C7 bulbs, but they're not LED, so they do produce heat, but they are so cute.
Come on in, come on up, come on over.